Hello, so I'm here today and I want to show you a new thing that I've set up in the English 101 online classes regarding setting due dates. So I'm here in a class that is getting ready to start, and the first thing that I'm going to do is show you what the grade center looks like now. So I'm going to go to the full grade center. I'm going to go to manage column organization, and I want to show you what I've set up in here now. I have a lot of things that are hidden, but what I've done basically is I've created a little grading period, it's what it's called in Blackboard, for each of the modules. So you can basically look through here, and if there's something that's a little bit out of order, you can move it easily within this. If I want to move this review thing up, I can do that. It actually needs to be at the bottom of that. What this is going to do for you is make it where you can see the flow of the course in your gradebook. So if you go to the full gradebook, all the Module 2 stuff is sorted together for you. You don't have to move things around all over the place. Just as an aside here, there's a lot of stuff in here that needs to be completely deleted out of the course, and we're having trouble getting rid of some of it. So it's in its own little place. And if you don't want to look at it, you can just make it, it's called delete, and nothing in there should be showing and nothing in there should be doing anything to anyone. So that's what the grade center looks like. Now the cool thing about this is, because I've set this up this way, you can set all your due dates per module by going to course tools and going to set grade center due dates right down here. Instead of setting every single due date for the course, you can now set them by grading period. So here we are here. You can see that right now they're all showing up as one thing, but if you want to edit due dates by grading period, click this. Instead of showing every single assignment, including all the ones that are deleted, you can now set all of your due dates in one place. You can leave them blank if you want to. I would leave the extra credit ones, but whatever Module 1's due date is, you can set the date and the time, and they'll all pop in there for you. Just do them all the way through, and then click Submit when you get done with that. Let me show you what it looks like in a live course. So I'm in a course that I'm actually running now, and I'm going to go to the full grade center. And basically the way you will check it after you get done is go to Manage Column Organization and just look and see if the due dates that you set are the ones you want. I made all of my start and Module 1 stuff due on January the 17th and then the 27th, and I basically just look down through here and see what it is. Now it's possible to mess this up, and unfortunately once you key in a due date in a different place, if you key it in wrong, like if I make this be January 25th instead of February 25th, it'll go in there like that. The easy way to fix it though is, if you see that it's wrong here, all you have to do is go back to this, go to the only one that's messed up and change that manually and make sure it's right. Students will also let you know if you got it wrong, because they'll ask why stuff is due way before that module's working. So this should make it where students can see more easily when things are due in their grade center kind of views, and also just make it much easier for you. Now the other thing to tell you is that I have created an extra credit space, and I've sorted all of my extra credit, the 3 assignments from different places, into that so that I can administer that. And I'll put that in a different video for you and explain why I did it that way. You can set these dates manually if you want. I personally would take extra credit for a lot of these well after the due date, as long as it's before the date that they turn in the final paper, just to get them using the net tutor, which is what these extra credits. You can also put some of your own extra credit in there. But anyway, I hope that this has been helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions.